2, 4, 8, 10. When did ACH begin? That's a little cheer friend taught me to remember the important dates in ACH history.
2, 4, 8, 10. When did ACH begin? 2, 4, 8, 10. When did ACH begin?
But first, we're going to take a little step into the past, as I'm going to give you the skinny on the history of ACH. A lot of credit goes to 1968, when we got scope. No, not the mouthwash, but the Special Committee on Paperless Entries. See, this was a bunch of cool cats that were chartered to explore the technical, operational, and legal framework necessary for an automated payment system. They really kicked off things in 1970. See, the bankers had all these new computer systems. They were looking for ways to use them and not have to keep working with all that paper and the bread and keep going from the same place to the same place. They realized it wasn't cool, it wasn't cost efficient, and there had to be a better way. And the Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco had worked with its local banks to formulate the Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH, which was a software system that could cut out the need to create checks for recurring payments. Instead, an account could now be directly credited or debited, reducing the time, expense, and human error of the existing process. They just barely beat the Atlanta Fed, where almost all ACH processing is done today, and who around the same time had worked on the Atlanta Payments Project. And man, did it take off. And man, can you dig it, because in 1972, Cal Western, out there in California, the first Automated Clearinghouse Association, CACHA, began operation. See, things are already happening in California. It was a primo spot for innovation. But automated clearing was first done through the existing courier networks, with trucks delivering both paper checks and vouchers, as well as these 8-inch reels of magnetic tape to be read by computers at the few bank processing centers that already had something to be able to read them on. Are you jiving yet? Because in 1974, the National Automated Clearinghouse Association, or NACHA, was formed to coordinate the ACH movement nationwide. That's right, we had the regional associations popping up before the National Association. A lot of people think it was the national first, then the regional. But brother, let me tell you, that ain't how it went down. Things got really groovy in 1978. Things got really groovy in 1978. See, in 1978, the local ACH systems were linked electronically on a nationwide basis. Before then, it was like everyone was out finding themselves and working independently or within the regions. And we knew it would be way cooler if we were all to be chilling at the same pad. But then, because the man had to go off and pass the Monetary Control Act, well, we're going to now have to say peace out to the 70s.